What are iteration statement? Iteration statement creates the loop in the program. In other words, it creates the set of statement until the condition for the termination is met. To manipulate the data, program needs tool for performing repetitive action and for making decision. So the tools which we are using for performing the repetitive action are the for loop, while loop or the do while loop. So by using this loop, we can display a statement or a set of instructions repeatedly, maybe a 5 times or a 10 times, and according to the condition, the loop repeatedly moves on, and when it comes to the termination condition, it stops. What is iterative process? Iterative process means repeating a set of action or a set of statement or a set of instruction a certain number of times. It can be 10 times, 50 times, 20 times to perform some task. Task means take it to display a name 50 times or to display the natural number or the integer number 1 to 100. So a number of repetition we do in the loop. So that is the called the iterative process. What are loops? Loop in programming language like Java enable us to repeat a single statement or a set of statement as long as the desired condition remains true. So loops are the for loop, while loop or the do while loop, which help us to repeat a single statement or a set of statement as many times according to the condition, like 5 times or 10 times I want to display the name. So according to that, it will help us to give the loop. So here you can see we want to display 1 to 10 on screen. So first we are taking for loop. So for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus, then system.out.println I. So here the first I is 1, so it will enter here. Since condition I is less than 10, condition is true, it will enter and it will display 1. So it will display 1, then I will increase I plus plus, then the I will increase, then it will check I is 2, so 2 is less than 10, so it will display 2. So in this way the loop will go on till 10. Similar way the while loop. While loop I have initialized I with 1, then I is less than equal to 10. Then system.out.println I plus plus. So here I is 1, so less than 10 it will come here and display, and then I become 2. So 2 again it will move here, 2 is less than 10 it will display. So the loop will move on till 10 times. Similarly, in the case of the do while is the exit control loop, because in the loop the condition is present. So it automatically enter and then it face the condition. So I is 1, so it will enter here and it will display 1, and then I changes to 2. 2 is less than 10. So condition true, so again it will come here and display 2. Then again I will become 3. Then 3 is less than 10, so it will again display 3. So in this way it will move on till the I becomes 11. So till when I is 10, 10 is equal to 10, so condition true, again it will go and it will display 10. So and when then I become 11, so I condition become false and then it will come out of the loop. There are two basic types of loop: definite loop and indefinite loop. So in definite loop, it is a loop which perform up to a given limit. Means we know how many times the particular task will be repeated. 5 times, 10 times or 20 times. And in indefinite loop, it is a loop which perform as long as the user want. So here we don't know how many times the loop will move. Take it, we are going to count the number of digit in a number. So if we enter two numbers, so the loop will be 2 times. If we enter 5 digit number, so the loop will be 5 times. So it is not defined, it is indefinite how many times the loop will go on. So it is according to the value which we give if to execute. There are 4 steps to construct the loop. First, initialization of the counter. So we initialize there. Then execution of the statement in the loop. Third, test for the specified condition for execution of the loop. Fourth, increment or the decrement of the counter. So in each of the 3 cases of the loop, for loop, while loop and the do while loop, you can see the first step, initialization of the counter. So here you can see it is initialized as I equal to 1, as well as here also while loop, before starting the while loop we have initialized I is equal to 1, as well as here in the do while loop also we have initialized I equal to 1. Then the execution of a statement in the loop. This is the execution of the statement of the loop. So this is the statement which has to be executed in the 3 of the loops. Then test for a specified condition for execution of the loop is, so here you can see we are given the condition. In the case of for loop, here the condition is, in the case of while loop the condition is here, and here the condition. So according to the condition the loop will move on. When the condition will become false, it will come out of the loop, and after that if any statements are there, it will start executing those statements. Then increment or the decrement of the counter. So here it is the increment I plus plus. Here we are in the for loop, we are doing the increment in the same statement, but in the while loop, after the execution of the statement, the I is increased. That is, we have given the increment statement I plus plus. Here also after the execution statement, we have increased the I. So that is I plus plus, we have given increment statement. Loops are classified into entry control loop and the exit control loop. In entry control loop consists of for loop and while loop, and exit control loop consists of do while loop. In entry control loop, the loop structure, a condition is checked in the beginning of the loop module. If the given condition is true, then the control will enter the loop for the execution. The process is repeated until the given condition is false. But in the case of exit control loop, the condition is tested at the end of the looping structure. If the condition is true, then the control sent back for the next iteration. As soon as the condition is false, the control exits the loop. But in this case, even if the condition is false for the first time, the control will enter the loop at least once. So here you can see for loop and while loop are the entry control loop. So first of all, it checks the entry. If the entry is true, if I is less than 10 or equal to 10, then only it will allow you to enter. If it is 11, that is, the condition becomes false, it will not allow you to enter the loop. Same here, while loop. Here, if I is less than or equal to 10, it will allow to enter the loop and execute the loop. If I will be 11, then the condition will false and it will not allow you to enter the loop. But in the case of do while loop, since the condition is at the end of the loop, if I will give here instead of 1, if I will give here 11, if I will give here 11, the loop will enter, because here there is no condition. Loop will enter and it will display 11. Then it will be, I will become 12. and then when it will come here, then it will check that the condition is false. Then after that it will not allow you to execute. But though the condition is false, because we are checking here I is less than 10 or equal to 10, but here I gave the I value as 11, till then it entered and it will display the value. So in case of exit control loop, though the condition is false, though since 11, so condition is false, till then it will enter once and it will give you the output. Difference between entry control loop and the exit control loop. In entry control loop, will not execute at all if the condition is not satisfied. But in exit control loop, the loop will execute at least once, though the condition doesn't satisfy. In entry control loop, it checks the condition at the entry point of the loop. In exit control loop, it checks the condition at the exit point of the loop. Difference between while loop and do while loop. While loop, the loop will not execute at all if the condition is not satisfied. But in do while loop, the loop will execute at least once. In while loop, it checks the condition first and then execution begins. In the do while loop, it checks the condition after the executing the loop once. And while loop is known as the entry control loop, while do while loop is known as the exit control loop.